Salam. Today we're going to be making a passed down comfort food family recipe. Spaghettis. Please forgive me Italians for this blasphemy. I don't even know how to describe this pasta dish because there's nothing like it. Spaghetti with shredded beef, eggs, fried onions, peppers, and potatoes. No cheese? Oh, and mixed with red chutney, aka spicy ketchup.
You're gonna need 1 pound of spaghetti, salt, and lots of water to boil it, 1 pound beef chuck cut into 2-inch pieces, salt, pepper, olive oil, 2 to 4 cups of water to braise the beef, and half a cup of vinegar, 2 eggs, 1 tablespoon unsalted butter, salt, and pepper, 1 white onion sliced, 2 Anaheim chili peppers sliced, salt and olive oil, 2 potatoes diced, salt, pepper, and vegetable oil for frying, 1 bunch cilantro chopped, and extra pepper for garnish, and finally some red chutney.
So I love Italian food. It's tied for my favorite cuisine with desi food. Carbonara is a top 5 dish of mine. With only a handful of ingredients, it's through technique where Italian recipes really shine. I know this family recipe goes against every Italian cooking instinct, but it does have its place, at least in my family.
First, salt and pepper the beef, mix, then set aside. And in a bowl, add the eggs, salt and pepper, and beat together. Let's go to the potatoes. In a pot, add enough oil to cover 2 to 3 inches and heat to 350 degrees Fahrenheit on medium-high. Add the potatoes and fry for 10 to 15 minutes until golden brown. Take out, then salt and pepper, mix, and set aside. In a pan, melt the butter on medium, then pour in the eggs and make sure it creates a thin layer. Cook for 1 minute, then flip, and cook for another minute. Take out and cut into small pieces, then set aside. Back to the beef. In a big pot, heat the oil on medium-high, then add the beef. Sear for 1 to 2 minutes on each side, then pour in the water and vinegar. Bring to a boil, turn medium-low, cover, and simmer for 1 to 2 hours. Since we're braising the beef here, add more water as needed to make sure it's tender. Take out, then shred the beef. In the same pot, add a bit more olive oil, heat to medium-high, then add in the onion, peppers, and salt. Saute for 2 to 3 minutes, then add back the potatoes, shredded beef, egg, and mix. Fill up a stock pot 3/4 of the way up with water, salt, then bring to a boil. Add the spaghetti and cook to al dente, about 8 to 9 minutes, then add to the big pot while tossing with everything else. At the end, add the cilantro and any more pepper as needed and mix. Alright, so I added 2 tablespoons of red chutney in here. Bismillah. This is the epitome of comfort food. I have no idea what inspired this family recipe, but it's through the fusion of cuisines that you end up getting new stuff like this. I'm gonna call this spaghetti alla salsa picante rosa. So this isn't part of our recipe, but let me try making this a little bit more Italian with some Parmesan. Let's see. Does that make it any better? You want some? Or do you want the Parmesan? I knew you'd go for the cheese.